The Social Media Starter Kit is our most popular package. Basically what it does is we mastermind the hell out of your strategy, and then you do the day-to-day implementation and managing your community. So what is included is Canva templates that you can use across all of your platforms that are totally branded to your business. We source 75 hashtags that are geared to connect with your audience and attract your audience. We also talk about your growth strategy and how to find your audience and interact with your audience in a way that brings you more business. And then we also do 2 one-on-one coaching calls so that I can help you implement all of this and you're feeling like a rock star. If you're ready to ditch the learning curve and you want someone to show you how to actually use social media to convert, but you're not quite ready to pay month by month, you just want a one-time fee, this is a really good middle ground. I would love to find out more about your business and if we would be a good fit. So I've included a link below where you can book a discovery call with me.